Good morning, guys. We are here in Okeechobee, Florida, and we did a stop off. We ran across this park. It's called Lake Okeechobee Park. So we're going to stop here and check it out, and let's go make some memories. This was called JC Park Observation and Fishing Pier.
Yes, we can.
That lives out here. Sit out here, right? Sit out here. Bring my lunch. Wow, maximum 3 poles per person. Found a fan of the channel. Nice to see you too, Bert.
And there he goes. There he goes.
Subscribe before you leave. So out here at Lake Okeechobee, it's a hot day today, late May, but it is the breeze coming off. It's actually not that bad out here. No, Lake Okeechobee has been known as being like a very toxic lake because of all the farm fertilizer runoff and different chemicals that were kind of dumped into this lake, unfortunately, over the years, and the state's been trying to get it cleaned up. But I know in the past they used to say like you shouldn't even touch the water in here. And people have asked like, was it safe to swim in Lake Okeechobee? I would say no. Plus the other thing is the water itself going all the way across Lake Okeechobee that way. I mean, this is a huge lake. It's one of the biggest lakes in the United States, and it's only I think about 12 or 13 feet deep at its deepest point. So it's like you could almost wade across it in some spots. But I would suggest not going in there because I've heard this lake has over tens of thousands of alligators. So I definitely would not suggest taking a dip in this lake.
Well, I mean, if it's as toxic as you say, then why is fishing allowed?
I don't think I'd want to eat the fish. Maybe just for sport.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'd have to look into it. I just know in the past that they've said that it was pretty toxic. Yeah.
Just keep swimming.
Just keep swimming.
There you go.
This is a nice little place this is a nice little pier out here to have lunch or take a nice little stroll out here if you're in the area. If you need a little place to stretch your legs, and there are restrooms here as well, so it kind of makes for a nice little rest stop if you're on 441 or US 98. We're not that far from State Road 70 as well, so it's a good stopping off point for a rest area.
Yeah, the blue covered area, roof covered area is shaded obviously and has a couple benches, so you can sit and enjoy the view for a little bit. Water. This is the other side. There's a bird over there on a branch. I don't know if anybody can see it, but it's cute.
Ooh, check this out. lot of birds. What was that? Alright, so this wraps up our visit here to Lake Okeechobee Park down in Okeechobee, Florida. Small little park, good stopping off point if you're driving, like we mentioned before. Nice place to just relax for a little while. But if you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing. If not, hit that subscribe button right down there. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, if you want to see other parts of Florida that are kind of off the beaten path like this, instead of the typical stuff. Leave us a comment. Have you ever been down to Okeechobee before? And we will see you soon.